What is up, gamers? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to change your display name in Roblox. And you see this right here? This is my regular account, my main. It shows TheRealGoldenGamers. That's my display name. My real account's YTGoldenGamers. But my display name is TheRealGoldenGamers. Now, how do you change it? So you see this button down here that says More? You're going to click it and you're going to scroll down to Settings. Once you click Settings, you're going to click Account Info. And then you're going to hit Display Name. You see Display Name? There's Display Name and Username. Some people might only see Display. You're going to click that, the first one, this little pen and paper here. It says Change Display Name. Remember, it is also important to know that your display name can only be changed every 7 days. So today's Tuesday. I'll only be able to change it next Tuesday. My username is going to be display example. Again, you guys can change your username, display name to whatever you want, but it might not work because it got to be appropriate for Roblox. So try Silver Gamer. Display name is not appropriate for Roblox, so you got to watch what you say. But I'm going to say display example. You gotta watch if you space. I don't know if it works when you space it, but it didn't just work there. So, there we go. It's saved as display example. I hope that helped. Smash the subscribe button, light up the like, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Peace.